be doing the second to last video of the hyper realistic system. So, but before we do anything like that, we have one suggestion that someone gave me, which was to replace the sun with Vega. I think it was Vega, right? It probably was. Hold on, let me just find the replace button. Stars. Where's Vega? Okay, here it is. All right. Now, what happens now? Okay, everything is super duper messed up, including Sedna's, which is actually quite surprising. Eris's look the same. Uh, really? It doesn't look like there's a difference. I mean, for the inner planets, there's a ginormous difference, but still. Okay, we need to check on Mercury. I don't like he's looking real bad. Okay, yep, yep. Look at him. Just look at him. I feel bad. Just look at this dude. Only part that is like just hold on. Let me just go to surface real quick. See, see, see what I mean? Yeah. Oh my God, it's just changing. Anyways, now that that's done, let's get into this next video. So, hold on, wrong one. This is what I used for my thumbnail on last video. So, just wait one sec. I accidentally did the wrong one. Now, Universe Sandbox is acting up. We do not care. Anyways, come on. Yeah. Wrong one. Here it is. There we go. Not gonna lie, that moon really does look like Io. It really does look like a sulfur moon. Okay, my computer's starting to glitch now. There we go. Alright, I really like this planet. It's really good looking. Very good looking, actually. Anyways, so what I'm planning on doing for this video is we still need like a generic planet. So we're gonna be doing like a Mercury planet. So let's get that done. Second smallest planet. Yeah, this should be good. Anyways, around this distance. That's a pretty good distance. But I want a generic, not an oceanic. Please give me a generic. It's not a generic, I can tell. I bet it's, see? Not a generic. Seriously? Oh my God. Let me just, this one should work. Hopefully. There we go, it's a generic. Anyways, size-wise. So what we're gonna do for you for size is about like the size of Mars, I guess. So let's just bring it to like, I don't know, here? Yeah, that's good. And I want to make you totally locked. And let's name you, I don't know if I already said name this. What shall I name you? Uh, this is gonna be the great planet. So, yeah, maybe I will name it something crater based or color based. Maybe I don't know. Hmm. Man, this is hard. I'm gonna name you Terra because I mean because I don't even know. Anyways, so First, surface wise, what are we gonna do for the surface? We will probably be doing Mimos and Mercury. I just like Mercury. Mercury has such a good cratered texture map. If I'm ever gonna do a cratered planet, I'll do Mercury as one of the uh surfaces. Yeah, because not only that it has craters, it also has some smooth elevation where it just goes like more like some mountains or something. Even some parts on Mercury where there's like no craters at all. That's kind of why I like Mercury's elevation. Anyways, so I'm gonna be making you gray because that's what I planned on for the elevation. And boom, there we go. We got our just random planet. And maybe we should give it at least one moon. Oh my God, that's a big planet. Anyways, uh, one moon, just random moon. Just gonna make you tilted. Not only that, what is your? Oh wait, your axial tilt should be zero, because I made you tightly locked, and your orbital plane is about like just like exactly the same as the star or something. I don't know. Anyways, alrighty. So for our Venus-like planet, yeah, I forgot to mention that I'm gonna do a Venus-like planet. Anyways, so you are gonna be the smallest rocky planet, probably the smallest planet actually. So we're gonna make you go all the way to here. Yeah, that's good. And we're gonna want to find a scorched like surface map. I'm not gonna try and do cratered. So Titan already looks pretty scorched. Maybe add Europa in with that. Let me see. Just bring up Europa, bring down Titan a little bit, and there we go. Looking already pretty scorched. Also, I remember Venus-like planets would have very thick atmosphere. So we're gonna do like, I don't know, 50 ATM. And for the wherever the habitable zone is, that's weird. Why is it so close to the star? Anyways, gonna add a little bit more layers. That's good. All right. Anyways, so we're gonna adjust the atmosphere a little bit, like just the looks of it. And we're just gonna opacity, we're just gonna bring that down and then really scattering. Not gonna lie, that's looking pretty good. Very good actually. Anyways, so let's get a good surface color or something. So we are gonna be doing for this one, we're gonna do like something sort of orange, yellow, I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, and not gonna lie, that's looking very good. Honestly, I feel like it would be better if the yellow was like more into cracks, but I think I'm fine with this. Yeah, yeah, that's looking pretty good. I like it. Anyways, how many moons are we gonna give this guy? Maybe some small moons, probably, because this is a small planet. Maybe literally just one moon, probably. Yeah. Anyways, for cup dust, I'm tired of that name. We're gonna change it. Anyways, we're gonna be doing like another scorched moon. Maybe also, I wouldn't say like a scorched one, but it looks scorched, but it really isn't. Anyways, so I don't know what to name it. I guess I'm just gonna name it this. I don't know why I named it that. I just thought of it. Like I don't know. Just randomly named it. Anyways, let's give it a good texture map. I don't know. Rhea and not gonna lie, I kind of like Rhea. Maybe Rhea and Callisto. Both super crater moons, and we're the color for it. I'm gonna make it like a generic brown color. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. I wouldn't say this is very scorched looking, but at least it's good enough, I guess. There we go. Two very cool objects. Maybe I'll give this planet one more moon. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, I like that moon. Anyways, like I said, one more moon. There you go. Pretty good. And maybe we'll make you generic. So surface color. Bercy, that's a good name, I guess. Surface is already fine. Just the color. There we go. And boom. We got uh the second moon. Anyways, I'll probably also do some dwarf planets, like maybe two, three dwarf planets, who knows? Just a good amount. And also the planet's name kind of matches the planet, not gonna lie. Anyways, all right. So we got our 8 planets. We're gonna add like 3 dwarf planets and maybe add some more dwarf planets in the last video. 2 and 3. So for our first dwarf planet, okay, that is crazy generation or texture. We're gonna deal with it. So I kind of like it. I kind of like the surface. So we're gonna make this guy an icy dwarf planet, cause why not? We need icy dwarf planets, but anyways. So yeah. So for the atmosphere mass, there we go. Now I kind of want the atmosphere to be visible. I'll do that in a sec. Hold on. And then sea level. Just gonna bring that up. Then freeze all that water. That's not a lot of ice, but it's all right. Anyways, there we go. And for the ice, I want to actually give that a good color. So there we go. I mean, I said it would be icy, but it still has ice. So, like, what's the problem? Anyways, atmosphere. I want that to be at least visible. And I want to give it some rings, like Hamea rings or something. Actually, I'm going to do Quail rings. Can I not? Oh, wow. Oh, oh, so you don't want me to do any rings. Okay. I see. I see. Okay, I see. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Nah, I don't want to use the rings anyway. Yeah, this game has been being weird for a while. It's not letting me like put on any rings or something. Please tell me in the comments how to fix this. Because, oh, that's weird. Okay. I'm just making sure I didn't add the actual Uranus rings. I mean, I don't know how I did that, bro. But not. I guess it's fine. Who cares? At least I got the rings. Anyways, so that's our first dwarf planet. We're gonna name you Brownie. Wait, did I already name a moon in the system, Brownie? Uh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna name you Ray because I have no other options. So yeah. Okay, time for another dwarf planet. You. All right. We're gonna make you a generic gray color because I'm starting to get lazy, and I did not mean to land on you. Come on, get me off. Okay, yeah. I'm so sorry for being impatient. If you guys have Universe Sandbox, I have a feeling y'all can relate. Maybe. Please. Thank you. Yeah, just a generic dwarf planet. And last but not least, we got what's the guy's name? I don't know his name. Hold on. Ixia or Elixia, I don't know. You look like you're kind of bulging at the equator, so I'm kind of fine with that. Dwarf planets have very like varying rotational periods. So like, yeah. Anyways, so just gonna do all the I I don't want to do like a generic gray color anymore. I want to do like a generic brown color. So kind of like Sedna, but not Sedna. So like, yeah, 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 and maybe some rings. Uh, it's doing the same thing again. It's not letting me add the rings. And that's annoying. Don't matter. At least we got the dwarf planets done, or at least some of them. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you want to see more videos or content like this, please like and subscribe. And until the next time, I'll see you later.